The City of Arts and Sciences is a cultural and architectural complex in the city of Valencia, Spain. It is the most important modern tourist destination in the city of Valencia and one of the 12 treasures of Spain. The City of Arts and Sciences is situated at the southeast end of the former riverbed of the River Turia, which was drained and rerouted after a catastrophic flood in 1957. The old riverbed was turned into a picturesque sunken park. It was designed by Santiago Calatrava and Felix Candela. The project began the first stages of construction in July 1996, and was inaugurated on April 16, 1998.